Hello everyone. So finally we are with a new YouTube channel. You all were asking when you're starting the new YouTube channel. So finally here we are with a new YouTube channel with the name of IELTS 9 Club. So in this channel you'll be getting free IELTS preparation material, as well as not only for IELTS classes but for improvement of your communication skills as well. So we'll be having live sessions as well as discussion on the study abroad. So it is going to be helpful for all who are willing to study abroad or want to settle abroad. So the best part is you'll be getting all the study material free of cost, and all live classes here on this platform. So I'm sure it will be helping all the students who are willing to crack the IELTS exam. I'll be sharing all my strategies, all my hacks for cracking IELTS exam. We'll be covering all 4 modules. So this is just a welcome video. In the next video we'll be coming up with a more diverse session on IELTS. Stay tuned. See you tomorrow with a vigorous session on writing skills. Thank you so much.